Hi, I'm Mary Phillips, celebrity makeup artist and licensed esthetician. I've got a couple comments about my brows lately, which got me thinking about all the little ways I maintain my skin, my brows, my lashes between appointments. So whether it's a facial, a brow lamination, or a lash lift, these are the Tweezer tools I use to help keep me fresh and maintained in between appointments. So healthy makeup always starts with healthy skin. We are gonna start with a stainless steel roller. I've been having mine just sit in like a cup of ice so it's nice and cold. And then I always like to kind of start around the eye area, just kind of work everything up and out, up and outward. This is so refreshing in the morning, especially when I need a little depuff, when I need a little freshening up, like a little lymphatic. This step is so important. I feel like it's almost just as important as makeup. It's like the skin prep before makeup. So I just applied all of my serums, my moisturizers, and now I'm gonna use this silicone roller. This is a great way to work the products into your skin. It really gives you the most out of your skincare routine. And plus, this promotes circulation for that extra glow that we are all looking for. It also comes with this volcanic stone attachment that you can use for touch-ups throughout the day. So you can use this with or without makeup, and it's gonna like absorb the oil. So you can just roll it right on top of your makeup and just refresh the skin like whenever you need it. So now that my skin is feeling refreshed and prepped, let's move on to these brows. When it comes to my brows, I am really just kind of maintaining their shape. I'm not really trying to create one. I do get my brows laminated about every 6 to 8 weeks, but between appointments, I like to just do all the shaping up by myself. Can we talk about this pistachio green tweezer for a sec? I'm obsessed. Feels like summer. So I'll use my slant tweezers to get rid of any unwanted hairs and to just keep everything looking natural. A good tweezer is really like one of those beauty tools that everybody needs. Precision is really everything when you're working with brows, and I can always rely on my tweezer tools to get the job done. And I love this little magnifying LED mirror that really just like kind of helps you catch those little details that you can miss sometimes. Having good lighting and magnification really makes it easy to see what you're doing. So brows are groomed. You're groomed. Let's move on to lashes. So the last thing I'll do is give my lashes a little curl. So to be honest, I usually save this step right before I start to do my mascara, but it's one of my favorite ways to really open up the eye, so I just thought, I would end my little skincare makeup prep routine with it. So the Procurl lash curler is designed for people with round eyes, and that's what I have. The wider opening helps me reach all of my lashes like really comfortably and gives me like a beautiful lifted curl. Curling your lashes is such a simple step, but it can completely change how refreshed and awake you look. And that's it. As a makeup artist, I always say it is all the little details that make the biggest difference. And nothing complicated, just a few of my favorite tweezerman tools to keep me in shape between appointments.